Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say, what is that? What's that?
Star.
Yeah, star. What animal is that? Eyes. What is that, though?
Bell.
Yeah. Is that a cat? What's it do?
Star.
Yeah, it's stars. What's a cat do? Yeah. Yeah. Did you get money? Money, huh? Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Mommy.
No, say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Brody.
You said thank you, Brody. You're adorable.